Hello everybody, my name is Max from Argentina. I want to invite you to discover all these beautiful places in Taro village. Now I'm going to visit Samadhi village, and this is the energy of man and woman. And follow me, yeah, to discover all these places in Taro. Yeah, come with me. Okay guys, I'm just in front of Lotsomo village. This is a Chanti Ventar. This is a portal to Lotsomo village. I'm about 17.7 kilometers from Ubud, or 30 minutes, and about 30 kilometers from Denpasar, or 1 hour and a half from the capital of Bali. This place is beautiful. This is the most traditional part of Lotsomo village. The architecture is typical of traditional Bali culture, and we have the temples, and this is just amazing. This is the most traditional part of Lotsomo village. This is a beautiful spot. This is exactly Samarorati, and I'm going to discover this place. It's incredible. You have to see this place. You have to come and see this place. It's full of bamboos, palm trees in the middle of the jungle. You hear all the birds, the river. You have a beautiful small river here, and you can hear the water and the wind. It's just magical. It's a magical place. This is relief art, symbolizing the feminine and the masculine forces working together, and love, like Romeo and Juliet. But this is Samara and Rati, and this is beautiful relief art. This beautiful couple, yeah, Samara and Rati, yeah, symbolizing love again. Well, you can enjoy the view and sit and have a coffee or tea and eat something that is typical from Bali. You can enjoy some typical Balinese food here and simply enjoy the view and the moment. So this is what you can have here. These are specialties from Bali, typical, not so easy to find. For example, bubuk pulong bawon, which is sweet, made from rice, white, very delicate, very subtle, or lembok sawi. These are delicious, and these are all things you can eat here at Samara Rati. So some spots here are just at the edge, on the edge of the cliff that goes to the river, and you're just floating on thin air in the middle of the jungle. And if you're not afraid of heights, it's an incredible view. Hello. Om Swastiastu.
Thank you for the menu for the food. What kind of the menu you would like to have?
I would like to order the Limbo Cake.
Just one limbo?
Yeah, just for me. I would like to try this. Do you have any Bali coffee?
Yes, well, we have a Bali coffee that will be black coffee.
Excellent. Yeah, without sugar.
Yeah, without sugar. So let me repeat your order one more time. You order for one limbo and one black coffee.
That's perfect.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anything else maybe?
No, not for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Limbo Cake. It's made of cassava, which is a kind of sweet potato from Indonesia. And the flavor is very subtle, soft and quite delicate. And it comes with a little bit of mint, coconut, and a syrup, a very delicate syrup. On the other side of the river, you can see the monkeys from the forest, from the jungle, whole families, and they are coming nearer. You can just view them from the bar. It's beautiful. These are Bali monkeys. You can see them in the monkey forest, and you can see them here also. Before we go to the water and take the water, we pray in a Balinese fashion. This is Samara and this is Rati, the force of feminine and masculine energy. And together they symbolize harmony, peace and balance. This beautiful relief made by local artists describe Hanuman and his army of warriors, of monkey warriors, and this is a good friend and ally of Rama. Well, this is where our journey to Samararati in Lotsomo village ends. I had a beautiful evening and morning with my friend, and this is a place I totally recommend if you want to meditate, if you want to enjoy yourself, if you want to have a magic day in a magic place. Don't forget to subscribe like this video, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. See you next time.